AI implementation carries substantial hidden costs beyond initial technology acquisition, including extensive data preparation often severely underestimated. Additional significant expenses arise from upgrading infrastructure, recruiting specialized talent, ongoing maintenance, and ensuring security and regulatory compliance. Companies developing video AI models and tools often mention collaborating with movie studios to support specific workflows. Netflix announced that it has begun using AI in the production of its movies and shows. Quantum computing could represent the next major wave of growth in the tech sector. Several related firms have released quantum development roadmaps featuring ambitious milestones aimed at demonstrating clear quantum advantages. OpenAI has partnered with Oracle in a landmark deal to propel its massive AI data center initiative. While the AI revolution is often discussed in abstract terms, the true scale becomes evident when you consider the immense physical infrastructure being built to power it. The stock market largely brushed off weak economic data and recession fears. While the major indexes fell sharply following a disappointing jobs report, they regained most of those losses within days. Despite mixed economic signals, a series of strong earnings reports from major companies has underscored the resilience of corporate profitability. More than 800 tech firms, from global giants to ambitious startups, will converge in Shanghai this weekend to showcase their latest innovations in artificial intelligence. The two-day World AI Conference will spotlight cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of AI. The Consumer Price Index rose 2.70%, compared with 2.67% in the previous month and 2.89% a year earlier, indicating a moderate pace of inflation broadly in line with expectations. However, higher goods prices driven by import tariffs contributed to the largest monthly increase in a key measure of underlying inflation in 6 months. A U.S. labor market report due next week will provide a crucial gauge of the economy's health and probe investors' confidence in expected interest rate cuts related to a belief that has helped lift U.S. equity markets. Data center availability in North America plunged sharply in the first half of the year, with multi-tenant data center vacancy rates hitting record lows, fueled by surging demand for cloud and AI services. Providers and major tech firms are expanding capacity at record speed. The animated film K-pop Demon Hunters, about a K-pop girl group using music to protect humanity from demons, has quickly become Netflix's most watched animated release since its debut in June. It has also smashed box office expectations, while its hit soundtrack continues to climb the Billboard Hot 100, securing spots in its upper ranks. Equity markets ended Friday largely flat, holding near record highs, while U.S. Treasury prices slipped as investors priced in the likelihood of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut next month. The Dow Jones Industrial Average briefly touched a new intraday record during the session. The U.S. tariffs tanked markets and unleashed recession fears when sweeping levies were introduced just over 100 days ago. However, as the U.S. continues to uphold the policy, the economy has remained resilient, and Wall Street now reacts to each new tariff with a shrug.